Hello viewers, with me here I've got a question on travel graphs. This is a question that was given in 2016 grade 12 internal math paper 1, question 23. The question reads, the diagram below is the speed time graph of a particle. The particle accelerates uniformly from a speed of v meters per second to a speed of 5v meters per second in 20 seconds. So this is what the diagram is showing, from v to 5v in 20 seconds. Then the questions: A, find an expression in terms of v for acceleration. So this part has got 1 mark. Then B, the distance traveled by the object from 0 seconds to 20 seconds is 80 meters. Find the value of v. So 2 marks for this part. Then the last part, C, find the speed at t equal to 15 seconds. This part has 3 marks. So going to the first part, A, find an expression in terms of v for acceleration. So going to the diagram, acceleration here will be determined by just looking at the increase from v to 5v and also taking note of the time taken. If you go to the formula for acceleration is A is equal to v minus u over t. A is equal to v minus u over t. So v is for final speed. In this case we're talking about speed, so v is for final speed, u is for initial speed, then t is time taken. So if we look at the diagram here, final speed is 5v, then initial speed is v. So substituting what we have, we're going to have the following. On final speed, which is v, we are going to put 5v. Then minus on initial speed, we are going to put v. Then over time taken for all this is 20. So then we just simplify what we have on top there. 5v minus v, this gives 4v. Then over 20. So there's a number that can go into 4 and 20, which is just basically 4. 4 into 4, that gives a 1. Then 4 into 20, that gives a 5. So we are working with 1 times v, which is just v over 5. Then the units, meters per second square. So that's what we get for acceleration in terms of v. Okay, moving on. B, the distance traveled by the object from 0 seconds to 20 seconds is 80 meters. Find the value of v. So this shape we have here is a trapezium, and we know for a trapezium the area of the trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 open bracket a plus b close bracket h. So why are we saying so? This is because we've got 2 parallel lines, this from there to there v, and from there to there 5v. And then we are going to take from 0 to 20, we're going to take this as height. Okay, so this will be our height. Then this will be a, this will be b. So why are we saying area is equal to 1 over 2 open bracket a plus b close bracket h? Why are we using area on this part? This is because area under a graph is equal to distance traveled. So working out this using the area formula, will give us the following. So we'll start by writing down the formula. So I will indicate this as D, since distance traveled is equal to area. So D is equal to 1 over 2 open bracket A plus B close bracket H. So then, how do we substitute here? So looking at what we have, we said that A is this distance. A and B are these parallel lines that we have here. So we'll take this one as A from 0 to V, and then 0 to 5V as B. Then the height is 0 to 20, so just basically 20. And then they've given us distance. Distance is 80 meters. So we're going to substitute as follows. So on distance, we're going to put 80 equal to, then we'll say 1 over 2 open bracket. On A, we'll put V, then on B, 5V, then close bracket. Then on H, we say 20. And we do have something that can simplify here. 2 can go into 20, so 2 into 2, that's basically 1. 2 into 20, here we get a 10. And then what we have inside here, V plus 5V can add to give us 6V. So 6V is going to multiply with 10 here. So we're going to have 60V. So for our next stage, I'll write the following. 80 is equal to 60V. Since V plus 5V is 6V, then times 10 gives 60V. Then over 60 here to get V. And then 60 into 60, that's just basically 1 times V, we are getting V. Equal to, we can simplify the zeros, which gives 8 and 6. So what number can go into 8 and 6? So that's just basically 2. 2 into 8, we get 4 over 2 into 6, we get 3. So we are getting V as 4 over 3. You can just put the units, meters per second. So this is V, 4 over 3. As a decimal, this is just 1.33. Okay, rounded off to 3 significant figures. It's just 1.33. So then, working out the next part, C, find the speed at t equal to 15 seconds. So for this part, we are going to start with the first of all calculating acceleration, because we need to know what is our acceleration here from V to 5V, which took 20 seconds. So starting with acceleration, if you remember on A, our expression acceleration is A is equal to V over 5. So starting with that, since we have already an expression for A, we're going to write A equal to V over 5. And then working with this one, V is what we just calculated as 4 over 3. So this means V divided by 5. So I'll write it as follows. So 4 over 3 divided by 5. Because here is division, V divided by 5. So this means that the value of V is dividing by 5. And then to make it as a fraction, we say over 1. So now this can be written as 4 over 3. Then we change the operation, meaning this will reciprocate. 1 will go up, then 5 below. And this basically gives 4 times 1, which is just 4 over 3 times 5, which gives 15. So this here is our acceleration, which we can indicate meters per second square. And then finding speed when time is equal to 15, we'll use the formula v equal to u plus at. Now that we know our acceleration, which is 4/15, and initial speed is given, so initial speed is this v here. That's our initial speed, and v is calculated as 4/3 here. So to find v, we'll just simply substitute. On u, we are going to put 4/3, since this is our initial speed. Then plus on a, this is the acceleration, which is 4/15. Then time is 15, so we can just say times 15 here. And then this 15 and this 15 will simplify to give us 1, and also here 1. So basically we are just working with 4/3 plus 4/1. Now 4/3 plus 4/1. Here the common denominator will be 3. And then 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times 4, we get 4 here, plus 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times 4, this gives it 12. And working out the addition, this will give us 16/3. Now 16/3 as a decimal, this is 5.333. This is because 3 can go into 16 5 times, and it will leave a remainder of 1. 3 into 1, it can't, so you put a 0. 3 into 10, you get 3. You'll just be getting 3's. So 5.33. But as a mixed fraction, this will give us the following. V is equal to 5 remainder 1/3. So this is meters per second. So that is our speed when time is equal to 15 seconds. Alright, thank you so much for following through as I worked out this question. Hopefully you've learned 1 or 2 things about speed time graphs. Alright, thank you so much.